Hello everyone. With board examinations round the corner, would you like to know how to score good marks in mathematics? I, myself Sweety Mall, an experienced and qualified maths educator. I have been in this profession since last 25 years, so I know that the students become nervous before the examination. So today I'm going to share with you 3 tips to score better marks in mathematics. First and foremost, you should make sure that all your concepts are clear. Because if your concepts are not clear, maths cannot be done by rote learning. You have to understand the concepts pretty well. And for clearing your concepts, you may seek the help of your teacher or any other person who can help you out with that. Then the second tip, remember to remember all your formula properly. For that, even if you have to make a chart and place it in your study area, and that will help you revise time and again. So you make sure that you remember all your formula well, because even if you know the concept and you're stuck with the formula, you won't be able to solve the question. And the third and the golden tip for mathematics is practice, practice and more practice. Regular practice will definitely help you to ace the subject. So remember all these 3 tips properly and connect with me if you want any help from my side, and do pass on this video to other students who are appearing for their board examinations. Thank you.